For all those who are aspiring to be a fashion stylist, it is very important to know all the career options you have in fashion styling so that you can decide what type of stylist do you want to be. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Khushbu Rajoria and I'm a fashion stylist. For a lot of people, fashion styling is a very glamorous job where you got to travel beautiful places, but it is not entirely true. It is not as glamorous as it may seem so. So don't do it because it seems kind of cool. You should be very realistic about what you're getting yourself into. So let's start with personal styling, as it is more appealing to many individuals because they get the liberty to rate their services, work for themselves, and the convenience to absolutely work from anywhere and not just big cities. A personal stylist work for real people, in the sense with everyday men and women. It can be for a CEO who doesn't want to decide what he wants to wear everything in the morning to office, or styling someone for a specific occasion. A personal stylist is always updated with the latest trends in clothing style. They choose clothing and accessory that fit their client's body type and their individual need. Let's jump to a second option, which is celebrity styling. In celebrity styling, there is a lot of hard work that goes behind the camera and also a lot of responsibility because it is not true that stylists never make mistakes. They do, and the style evolve. And fashion mistake on a celebrity is the most visible fashion faux pas, as they're always in a limelight, and so you have to deal with that as well. Celebrity stylists can work with more than one celebrity. They source appropriate outfit and accessories from designer and work with hair and makeup artists and decide the whole look. Another option you have in fashion styling is editorial stylist. An editorial stylist is a creative professional who select a wardrobe and create gorgeous images for glossy magazines. Editorial stylists bring to life the vision set forth by client through styling. They work with magazine or as a freelancer. For creating editorial image, you have to be very creative with your imagination. You have to take inspiration, then you'll have to make a mood board, and even before a final shoot, you might need to do some test shoots. I remember for my first editorial inspiration came from Beta. Yeah, I was scrolling Instagram and I saw their post, and then I decided to create visual on animal cruelty. And so that was my first editorial. Our next type is product styling, also known as commercial styling, in which we style product and create beautiful advertising image. Commercial stylists work with commercial brands and usually come with a big budget. All ads we see in TV and prints are styled by product stylists in a way to make it more attractive and appealing. They do their brand research and keep in mind the aesthetic of the brand, as every brand has their unique style and aesthetic. The basic purpose of a commercial stylist is to promote a product. Then comes wedding stylist. As the name suggests, they work with wedding clients from their pre-wed till their wedding. A wedding stylist create a virtual board allowing their client to know what to purchase and from where to purchase. They consult with their client to understand their ideal look, what theme they're planning, and then schedule dress shopping and alteration appointment. In India itself, wedding stylist is quite popular, because the wedding stylist not only help you save time but also work around your budget to give you a unique yet trendy look. Type 6 TV wardrobe stylist. Have you ever wondered how Big Boss contestants always have a new outfit for every episode? Did they buy all these outfits? No, they have stylists picking the outfit and sending them all season long till the finale. TV wardrobe stylists pick out wardrobe for reality shows, news reporter, daily soaps, and dress them accordingly and make sure that right actor is wearing right outfit on the right scene. As a wardrobe stylist, you have to be very attentive to the details because something as minor as a wrong necklace can make a lot of difference. Another option is prop and set stylist. Prop and set stylist is responsible for sourcing props and it gives the photo shoot its final finishing. Prop and set stylists are known for their outrageously good taste and they decide the mood and the vibe, be it vintage, rustic, combination, or just a plain background with minimal props. A prop and set stylist is usually required to visit various prop houses, shops, and suppliers to buy or hire props. Another very fast growing option in fashion styling that picked up steam in last 5 years is microblogging, also known as influencers. In this digital world, people, especially millennials, are very active on social media websites, and Instagram has become a great platform for content creators. Even for fashion stylists, Instagram is a platform to show their style game to the world, and also they can collaborate with brands. For reaching out to big brands, all you need is aesthetically pleasing profile and large following. Followers grows gradually, so you just need to keep calm and just keep your good work going. And the way you create and project your content on social media feed determine your growth and popularity. And also it has become a very competitive stream which give you direct access to the fashion world. Fashion is one of the fastest growing industry in the world, and now you know all the career options you have in fashion styling, so you decide what type of stylist do you want to be. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Do like, subscribe. See you in the next video.